All right, these are the last two problems off of your review sheet. So 16, a paper cone can hold 84.78 cubic centimeters of water if the diameter is 6 centimeters. What is the height? So again, start with your formula. So area of the base times the height of the prism divided by 3, or the height of the cone. So area of the base is pi r squared times height, all divided by 3. Okay, substitute in what you know. So 84.78 multiplied 3.14 times, if the diameter is 6, the radius is 3, all divided by 3. All right, so remember, 3 squared means 3 times 3. So if I replace that with 3 by 3, then I can also simplify those. Okay, so if that part doesn't make sense, you don't have to do it, but it does make our calculations a little bit quicker. So I'm going to multiply 3.14 by 3 to get 9.42 times height equals 84.78. Okay, and now you've got a one-step equation where you're just going to divide by 9.42 on each side. And that's going to come out to be a height of exactly 9, and then we're going to put centimeters on that. Okay, final problem. We have a diagram of a track. It's made up of 2 straights and 2 semicircles. The radius of each semicircle is 25 meters. I'm going to label that. And the total perimeter of the whole thing is 500 meters. Find the length of one of the straight sections. All right, I'm going to start with the curved part. Okay, I have 2 curved pieces that when put together make a circle. So in green, I have circumference is 2 times pi times radius. So I'm going to plug in 2 times 3.14 multiplied by 25. And that's going to give me a circumference of 157. And that actually comes out evenly. Okay, so in green, this number represents that piece and that piece combined. Okay, together they're 157 meters. So now I need to figure out what each of those would be. So I can do the total amount, which was 500, and subtract out the 157. Okay, so that's going to give me 343. Now that's both the top and bottom straight sections. So to get just one of the straight sections, we are going to divide it by 2. Okay, and then this is where we need to add a decimal point so that we can bring down one more 0 so that we end up with no remainder. Okay, so our straight sections, each one is 171.5. Now we want to do a quick check, make sure our answer is reasonable. Okay, in green, both of those are 157, and in blue, both of those should be the 243. Okay, so 171.5, 171.5, and we'll add them up just to be sure. Okay, and that does come out to be exactly 500, which is what we saw that it should be based on the problem. Okay, so the length of one of the straight sections would be 171.5 of a meter. All right, that concludes your review. I hope that you study and that you do well on your test. Good luck.